Newton Crypto Invest Pricing explained what you get for your money. Newton is a cryptocurrency investment platform that allows users to buy, sell, and track digital assets with ease. Many assume crypto apps are loaded with hidden fees, but Newton is designed for transparency. The app is free to download, and creating an account has no cost. Newton earns revenue primarily through a spread on crypto trades, typically ranging from 0.5% to 1.5% depending on the asset. There are no monthly fees and deposits via bank transfer are free, though instant funding may have small fees. Most people get this wrong by assuming crypto trading always involves high commissions. The surprising truth is that Newton keeps trading simple while providing real-time price updates and portfolio tracking. For example, buying of Bitcoin might cost just in spread, and your dashboard shows performance over time and across multiple coins. The app also offers recurring purchases, price alerts, and educational resources to help beginners navigate crypto markets safely. For advanced users, Newton provides access to multiple cryptocurrencies and trading insights. In conclusion, Newton Crypto Invest offers straightforward, low-cost access to the crypto market. Its transparent pricing and easy-to-use platform make it suitable for both beginners and experienced crypto investors looking for a simple, reliable solution.